How to edit WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can edit your WhatsApp messages, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to edit your WhatsApp messages, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all simply open up WhatsApp as you can find it here. Once you open up WhatsApp, let's say that you have a specific message that you send to a person, and then over here, what if you want to edit the message because you maybe made a typo mistake or a spelling mistake or a grammar mistake, which is quite embarrassing. And how can you edit it? Well, you know that nowadays recent social media applications has enabled us the way to edit messages, such as Telegram as well. But does WhatsApp let us do that? Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't let us edit the messages, because if I long press on it here and then if I just tap the three dots here, you can see info and copy. I don't have option to edit them. The only thing I can do is just tap this delete icon, tap on delete option over here, delete the message, and then just send a recorrected version of that specific message over here. And this way, hopefully this video answered your question. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.